Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Going towards St. Anthony's Church, Camões Square, and the temple. So we're going to be seeing all those on our way down. So let's start meandering down that way. I think there's karaoke up there, I think somewhere. Maybe the rooftop. Yeah, I've never filmed this street from top to bottom. Okay, so we're documenting the streets of Macau in 2024. This is called Tomás Vieira Street. And right over that way is a street that goes to the back of Sao Paulo ruins. And there's actually like this little Espina neighborhood. We're gonna probably walk by it in this way, on the back side. And I think there's gonna be some walls. We're gonna see what that looks like. So stay tuned for that. Before we even begin, we're starting near this little 7 intersection circle. And then right there is Kyungwoo Hospital. So we're basically gonna be walking along the left side of Kyungwoo Hospital from this certain location. And just to kind of give you some context, that's one of the streets from this intersection. That's street number 2, that's street number 3, that's street number 4, 5, and then this one is 6 and 7. So we are gonna walk down Tomás Vieira Street. And I'll tell you all more about it soon. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. We're going to go up Tomás Vieira real quick. We have some tourist street signs. So there's a fire department, a museum. We're going to be going towards St. Anthony's Church, Camões Square, and the temple. So we're going to be seeing all those on our way down. So let's start meandering down that way. So there's our street called Rua de Tomás Vieira. I think I'm going to see another street sign later, so I'm not going to go across and capture that. And a few things that you're gonna find out real quick, because I'll know it because I live here, but there's a few kind of popular bars in this area, so they're down around the corner. But you'll see other stuff too. Here's a little dog place, motors. It's actually kind of a pleasant street, all these big trees like this. Nice balconies. So let's meander down Tomás Vieira Street, and those bars are coming up on this next intersection here. And to the right is just a big wall. You'll get a better example of that in a moment. You can see the big wall. Huh. It's kind of an amazing balcony right there. Kind of wraps around quite a bit longer than you think. Okay, so now we have our street sign. Says Tomás Vieira. Let me see who that is. Okay, so I was not able to find it on my phone. His name is a little bit too unfamiliar. So what I'll do is maybe you would have seen information there, because maybe I would have researched it later and put it in that little pause, or not. And I'm gonna keep on moving without talking about his history and just kind of show you the street. It's kind of a cool looking tree. We're actually on the other, on Kyungwoo Hospital is walking, you'll see. I think I'll be able to see it from a... think there's karaoke up there, I think somewhere. Maybe the rooftop. Okay. There's actually a really nice temple, and I think maybe that painting was in this area, but this is a nice temple right here. But the temple's on the other side, but I don't want to venture off of the street. Then up that way you can see that's part of the fortress. So Sao Paulo Ruins is right over that way. We're still on our target street as well. Today is also Chinese New Year, so it's February 10, 2024. It changes every year, but this year it's on this particular date, February 10. Backside of the so there's a lot of tourists today. I'm gonna keep on walking down. The streets, I don't think I've walked the street all the way from one entrance to the other. Did I walk by? I was gonna show you some of those bars. That might be another street over. I almost never come down this way. But there are some pretty interesting stuff down here. I have filmed this one before. And it's some really beautiful buildings down this way. But we're gonna keep on focusing on our target street here. But yeah, I don't think I've filmed this one from beginning to end before. Generally speaking, because the street, there's a lot of interesting stuff, especially down in these side streets that I always end up going towards. So maybe it's good today that I'm actually able to capture it. I'm gonna come over on this side. And we are going to keep on going down. You have all these nice little side streets everywhere. Exercise equipment here. Uno Pizzeria. Oh, this goes all the way down to Camões. Yeah, I've never filmed this street from top to bottom. So now we're in the shady Cake by Anna. Okay. I guess I'll stay on this side. Some cool looking building right there, like that style of the balconies like that. And then this takes us all the way down to Moscow. I've never filmed Moscow before. I'm gonna film that one later. I feel like I've filmed every street in Macau because I've been filming for about 5 years here. And then I'll see something that I haven't really filmed before. So that McDonald's right there, there's also a bowling alley and a ice skating rink in there as well. This is going to come up to Camões Park. And so we've actually just came off of our street, but I just want to highlight real quick. So there's a beautiful mural. I think that's Saint. I forget the name of that church. Saint. It's right here. The church is, you can go right around the side of it, but That's Kamoish Park. And then this is all the people in red. They're involved with the lion dance kind of stuff. I think they're probably doing something in the park over there, the lion dance shows and such. Anyways, that's beyond the scope of this picture video. So we just did Tomás Vieira. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Tomás.